In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel 2026. Step by step, we're going to build a simple linked drop-down system in Excel where the second list changes based on what you choose in the first one. This is a great way to keep spreadsheets organized and make data entry much easier. To begin, go to Excel and create your lists. Enter your data in separate columns. For example, you can use one category for fruits and another for vegetables. Under fruits, enter items like apple, banana, and orange. Under vegetables, enter carrot, broccoli, and spinach. Keeping the lists in separate columns helps Excel recognize and organize the source data more clearly. Next, create named ranges for your lists. Start with the main categories. Select the category names, in this example, fruits and vegetables. Then go to the Formulas tab and click Define Name. Name this range categories. This name will be used to create the first drop-down list. Now create named ranges for each subcategory list. Select the items under fruits, click Define Name, and name that range fruits. Then repeat the same process for the items under vegetables and name that range vegetables. One important thing to remember here is that the named range must exactly match the category name. That match is what allows the dependent drop-down to work correctly. Once your named ranges are ready, create the first drop-down list. Select the cell where users will choose a category. Go to Data, then Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. In the source box, type equals categories, then click OK. You now have your first drop-down list, and it should display the main category options. After that, create the dependent drop-down list. Select the cell where users will choose a specific item. Again, go to Data, then Data Validation, and choose List. In the source box, type equals indirect open parenthesis, A2 close parenthesis. If your first drop-down is in a different cell, replace A2 with that cell reference. Then click OK. This formula tells Excel to look at the value selected in the first dropdown and use the matching named range as the source for the second list. Now test the linked lists. Choose fruits in the first dropdown, and the second dropdown should show apple, banana, and orange. Then switch the first selection to vegetables, and the second dropdown should update to carrot, broccoli, and spinach. And that's it. You've successfully created linked drop-down lists in Excel, making your worksheet more dynamic, accurate, and user-friendly.